So this is the colorful bento lunchbox that I got inspiration from the ANA Premium Economy meals on the plane. Super easy to do. First, make a scrambled egg. Quickly cook the salmon in the boiling water and then transfer to another pan. And then season with mirin, soy sauce, and sugar. Break salmon into small pieces, cook until it's dry. Now arrange your ingredients into a lunchbox. This is kamikama or imitation crab stick. Add the scrambled egg. Add cooked shrimps. And then sprinkle with edamame for a pop of color. And that's it. It's done. Enjoy!